How to switch account on TikTok. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, go ahead and open TikTok application in your mobile device. Once you open TikTok, you want to go ahead and log into your TikTok account. Now once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now once you are inside your profile section, you want to go ahead and tap on this three line icon at the top right corner. From here, tap on settings and privacy. Now once you're inside settings and privacy, scroll below and then you'll find an option that says switch account. Go ahead and tap onto it. Now if you have your account logged in into your device, you'll find it right over here. But if you don't, you want to go ahead and tap on add account and then add another account on your TikTok. And with that, you'll then be able to switch account on TikTok. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.